and welcome to Avi's Kosher Kitchen. It's me. Today, I'm your spice guy. I get asked this question a lot. What kind of spices should I use? What should I have? And how do I make my own rubs and things like that? Okay, so today, we're going to try to take a little bit of the mystery out of that. Before we begin, as always, we say, L'chaim, Baruch Atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, borei pri hagef. Always a great way to start. Now, say you got a piece of meat like this. Nice, beautiful steak. This is courtesy, by the way, of our friends over at Whole Foods. 100% grass-fed, nicely marbled, no antibiotics, no growth hormones, beautiful piece of meat. Now I want to cook this, but I don't want to just throw it in the oven or throw it in the barbecue or something like this. I want to give it some character, spice it up a little bit. So I've got out here sort of my top 11 spices that I like to have in here. First, kosher salt. Not really a spice, but something you should always have, okay? A little smoked paprika, a little cinnamon, brown sugar, celery seed, granulated garlic, curry powder, cumin, a little spicy cayenne pepper, a little white pepper, and over here, a little cardamom. Different meats, different flavors, call for different spices, okay? That's how I look at it. Now, first thing I want to tell you is this. Don't be afraid to experiment, and don't be afraid to make a mistake, okay? That's how you're going to learn. What I'm going to do is show you really my favorite little combination for a good red meat, okay? I usually like to take these little deli containers, put a little kosher salt to start off, that's always my base, okay? A little granulated garlic in here, okay? A little smoked paprika, okay? A little brown sugar. Brown sugar, by the way, when it's on there, caramelizes really nicely on things. A little something unexpected, which is a little cinnamon, okay? Really nice on lamb and on red meat. Just a hint, you don't want to overpower, and just a touch of celery seed. Celery seed can give it a little bit of a flavor there in the back of your throat that you don't expect. Just simple to mix this up. Cover it with your container and shake, baby. You can dance, you can shake this, you can get it any way you want. And if you're not going to be so bold or so as uninhibited possibly as I am, use a fork. Mix it up. By the way, a fork is good if you get any of those little lumps that go in there. How do I know if I like this? Simple. Dip your finger, taste it. Not too shabby. By the way, if you're going to taste them multiple times, use different fingers, okay? Don't cross-contaminate your spices. At any rate, want to season something up, like I'm going to season some of the steak, take it from up on high and just sprinkle it so you get a nice even coating. That's what you want to do. By the way, I'm going to be cooking this steak in another video. The link should be down here. So check it out and see how I spice it up and how I rub it up, okay? Experiment, have fun, go for it. See what you like. Remember, this is up to you. It's your tastes, not mine. I can tell you that I like this. Maybe you don't like the cinnamon in it, so you know what? Don't add it. Make it yours. Own it. I'd love to hear what you did, what your favorite spice combinations are, whether it's for steak, lamb, chicken, whatever it is, a roast, just send me an email. Maybe I'll use it. You never know, because you know what? You may have an idea that I didn't think of. It's all about doing what feels good and tastes good to you. Until next time, we'll wish you happy eating and l'chaim.